Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Trust Wallet money. Cashing out your crypto can seem complex, but we'll break it down into simple, manageable steps. We'll cover everything from converting your digital assets to getting funds into your bank account. Our goal is to help you navigate the process confidently, ensuring you understand each part of the journey. Let's get started and make your crypto withdrawal straightforward. The first crucial step is converting your cryptocurrency into a more liquid asset. You can swap your altcoins for a stable coin, such as Tether or USD coin, directly within Trust Wallet. Another option is using integrated third-party providers to convert crypto directly to fiat currency. Remember to carefully review the conversion rates and any service charges to ensure you get the best value for your assets. This sets the stage for your withdrawal. Once your crypto is in a stablecoin or fiat form, the next step is to transfer it to a centralized exchange. Popular exchanges like Binance or Coinbase allow you to convert these assets into your local currency. Double-check the receiving address on the exchange and select the correct network, such as BEP20 or ERC20, to prevent any loss of funds. After initiating the transfer, it typically takes a few minutes for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. With your funds now on a centralized exchange, you can proceed with the final withdrawal to your bank account. Navigate to the withdrawal section on the exchange and select your preferred fiat currency. Carefully enter and confirm your bank details, including your account number and routing information, to ensure accuracy. Keep in mind that exchanges often have daily or weekly withdrawal limits, and processing times can range from a few hours to several business days. Congratulations, your funds are on their way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.